Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sor YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing the top 3 courses to learn data science and machine learning for programmers. Many programmers are moving towards data science and machine learning, hoping for better pay and career opportunity, and there is a lot reason for it. Data scientist has been ranked the number one job on Glassdoor for last a couple of years, and the average salary of data scientist is over $120,000 in the United States, according to Indeed. Data science is not only a rewarding career in terms of money, but also it provides the opportunity to solve some of the world's most interesting problems. That is the main motivation. Many good programmers are moving towards data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. If you are in the same boat and thinking to become a data scientist in 2018, then you have to come to the right place. In this video, I am going to share some of the best online courses you can take to become a data scientist in 2008 by learning data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. When it comes to the program language and library, Python and R programming are clearly two leading program languages in the areas of machine learning, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is Python. It's a Python for data science and machine learning bootcamp. Many of my friends and colleagues which have moved towards data science has chosen Python as their choice of language. One reason of that is Python is probably the most popular language and offers everything. They're already using Python for scripting and object-oriented programming, and it is easy to learn data science if you the language rather than learning a new language like R. This is one of the best courses to master data science and machine learning Python libraries. You will learn how to use pandas, seaborn, matplotlib, plotly, machine learning, TensorFlow, and more. So this course is designed for both beginners with some programming experience and experienced developers looking to make the jump to data science. So the next one is R programming. R is another programming language for data science, and this course provides a good overview of R from data science perspective. There are a lot of R courses and lecturers out there. However, R has a very steep learning curve, and students often get overwhelmed. This course is truly step by step. In every new tutorial, we would on what had already learned and move on extra step towards. So the next one is Table AU. Table AI is one of the popular tool among data scientists, and that is there is a great demand for a data scientist who know Table AI. This course will teach you Table AI 10 for data science so step by step. It contains a real life data analytics exercise and quiz to give you first hand experience of Table AU. You will learn all of the features in Table AU that allow you to explore, experiment with, fix, prepare, and present data easily, quickly, and beautifully. So that's all about some of the best courses to become data scientist in 2008. As I said in the first one, data science is a very lucrative career with a very high package and lots of exciting opportunity to solve some of the most interesting problems of the world. If you have a passion for data analytics and problem solving and want to make a difference both in your career and to the world, then this is the right time to make your move. If you write more about data science and machine learning for both Python and Java developer, as my knowledge grows in these areas. So that's all about the top 3 best online courses to learn machine learning and artificial intelligence for to become a data analytics. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and share to your friends and also give comments. Thank you for your visit. Have a nice day.